Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check all tasks in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into a project. Say it's task 1. Then we have to switch the view of the project list, because we can only do this in the list view. Then under the name of the project, we find the row with some things that we can do. And here, the leftmost is incomplete tasks. Here we can select what we want to see, what kind of tasks we want to see. We can select completed tasks, so we see the tasks that are already done. Or we can just tap on all tasks, thereby we can view all of the tasks that we have or had. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.